Morning student. Today 23rd of July. I hope everyone fine and doing your work sincerely. Today now I am going to explain exercise 5F. As you know student, how to find the sum of given fractions. Here we discuss about difference of given fraction, that is same as addition, only subtraction is there. So see question number first. 5 upon 8 minus 1 upon 8, that is the like fraction, so we have to solve directly. 5 minus 1 upon 8, now we are getting 4 upon 8. You will cut by directly or show the division divided by 4. We are getting 1 by 2. Next question, 4 3 by 7 minus 2 4 upon 7. So that is mixed fraction. So we have to convert that fraction into improper fraction. So now we will change 4 3 by 7 into improper fraction. We are getting 31 upon 7. And 2 4 upon 7 change into improper fraction. We are getting 18 upon 7. And then after we solve. So we have to solve directly because of now they are the like fractions. So 31 minus 18 upon 7, we are getting 13 upon 7. 13 upon 7 is improper fraction. So we have to convert into mixed fractions. Now next questions, 5 upon 8 minus 7 upon 12. So here that is unlike fractions. So we are taking the LCM of denominator. So LCM of 8 and 12 is equals to 24. And then after we will calculate 8 will divide it by 24. Then after we are getting 3 and 3 will multiply by 5. So we are getting 15. And same here 12 will divide it by 24. We are getting 2's are times. And then 2 will multiply by 7. So we are getting 14. And now subtract each. We are getting 1 upon 24. Now next question is question number 7. That also, but here mixed fraction is there. So firstly we have to convert into improper fraction. So now we will convert here improper fraction. So 2 7 upon 9, that will converted 25 by 9. And 1 8 upon 15, that will converted into improper by 23 upon 15. And then we take the LCM of 9 and 15. Here I have to write the LCM directly, but you have to show LCM. Okay. 9 and 15 LCM is 45. Here same process we apply. 9 will divide it by 45. 5's are time it will be divided and 5 will multiply by 25. We are getting 125. And then also 15 will divide it by 45 and then multiply by 23. So here now we subtract 56 upon 45. Our answer, that is improper. So we have to convert into mixed fractions. Next question, 7 minus 5 2 by 3. So 7 is there, so we have to write in the form of fraction. We have to write 7 upon 1 minus 17 upon 3. That will be converted into improper fraction. Okay. And then after 1 or 3, 1 and 3, the LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. So here we have to write 3. So here we have to solve 1 divided by 3. We are getting 3 and 3 will multiply by 7. So we have to find 21 and then minus 17. Then subtract 4 by 3 is answer. When we convert 4 by 3 into mixed fractions, so we are getting 1 upon 3. Question number 12. 10 minus 6 3 by 8. So here also same question. We have to write 10 as a fraction form, and 6 3 by 8 we have to convert it into improper fraction and then solve, and last finally answer our 29 by 8. 29 by 8 is our improper fraction. We convert in the answer into mixed fraction form 3 5 by 8. Now next question is question number 13, that is simplify. Here the same concept is there, but we have to simplify, use multiplication, addition and subtraction, both concept in one question. So see, first 5 by 6 minus 4 upon 9 plus 2 by 3. So here firstly we have to take the LCM of 6, 9 and 3. So we have to find the LCM of 6, 9, 3 is 18. And now solve. 6 will divide it by 18. 6 3s are time divide karega, or 3 will multiply by 5. So 15. And same situation in the next. 9 will divide it by 18. So 9 2s are times divide karega, and 4 into 2 we are getting 8. And 3 6 are time divide karega, or 6 will multiply by 2. So 12 are. And then after we will plus 15 and 12. We have to plus firstly and then minus 8. So 27 minus 8 upon 18. Now we are getting 19 upon 18, and then we change into mixed fraction 1 upon 18. See next question. Question number 15, that also same. Here 2 plus 11 upon 15 minus 5 upon 9. So firstly we will find the LCM. The LCM of 15 and 9 is 45. And then after we will use same concept. Here 2 upon 1 is there. So 1 will divide it by 45. So we are getting 45, and 45 will multiply by 2. We find 90. Then 15 divided by 45. So 15 3s are time divide karega, or 3 will multiply 11. So 33. And then after minus symbol is there, and 9 5s are 45. So 5 will multiply by 5. 25 we are getting. Now we will add it firstly 90 plus 33. So 123 is answer, and then subtract minus 25. Now we have find 98 upon 45 is our answer. It will be converted into mixed fractions. Now question number 17, that also same. First we will change that question into improper form. So here I was converted here 2 upon 1, then 5 7 upon 10 we will convert it 57 upon 10, and 3 14 upon 15 was 59 upon 15. Then after we will find the LCM of 10 and 15. So LCM of 10 and 15 is 13, and then we use same concept according to previous questions, and finally we get the answer 113 upon 30. It will be converted into mixed fractions. So we are getting 323 upon 30. Now we will move in the next question. 3 plus 1 upon 5 plus 2 by 3 minus 7 upon 15. This question also belongs to same concept. 3 upon 1 we are writing in, and plus 1 upon 5 it was converted into improper fraction. We are writing 6 upon 5, then plus 2 by 3 as it is, minus 7 upon 15 as it is. And then after we have to find the LCM of 5, 3 and 15. So what is the LCM 5, 3, 15? As you know, that is 15 is our LCM. And then after 15 and then 1 will divide it by 15. So that will, for 15 is answer, and then 15 will multiply by 3. So 15 3s are 45. Same here, 5 will divided by 15, 3s are times, and 3 will multiply 6, 6 3s are 18. Here also 3 will divided by 15, 5s are times, and then 5 multiply by 2, 5 2s are 10, and here minus 7. So now firstly we will add it the positive number, here the positive number 45, 18 plus 10. What is the addition of that three numbers? 73, and then minus 7. So we find 66 by 15. 66 upon 15 we will cut directly, or we divide it by 3. Use both method, by show the division by 3, or you will cut directly. Now we find 22 upon 5, that we have to convert into mixed fraction 4 2 by 5. So that's all for today's. I hope you all understood.